Our world runs on batteries. From smartphones to electric cars, these energy storage units are essential. But current battery tech has limits. Range anxiety, high costs and environmental concerns plague existing batteries. For years, scientists have searched for a better way. The demand for cheaper, more powerful and sustainable batteries has never been higher. The world waits for a breakthrough. Elon Musk, known for disrupting industries, has thrown his hat into the battery ring. His company Tesla unveiled a new battery technology. This innovation promises to be a game changer. Musk claims these batteries will be more powerful, longer lasting and cheaper to produce. The announcement sent ripples through the tech world. Is this the breakthrough we've been waiting for? Musk's new battery technology relies on several key advancements. One is the use of a new battery cell design. This design allows for greater energy density, meaning more power can be stored in a smaller space. Another key innovation is the use of new materials. These materials are more abundant and less expensive than those used in traditional batteries. This could significantly reduce production costs. The implications of this new battery technology are far-reaching. For the electric vehicle industry, this could be a watershed moment. Cheaper, more powerful batteries could accelerate the adoption of electric cars. Traditional automakers are already feeling the heat. The energy sector is also bracing for impact. These batteries could revolutionize energy storage, making renewable sources more viable. Section 5. The Electric Dream, a Charged Future. With Musk's battery breakthrough, the dream of a fully electric future seems closer than ever. Imagine a world with fewer gas stations and more charging stations. Electric cars powered by these new batteries could become the norm. Public transportation could also be transformed. Electric buses and trains could become more commonplace, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Section 6. The Green Gambit Batteries and the Planet. In this section, we delve into the profound impact that battery technology is having on our environment and our future. The environmental impact of this new battery technology is significant. Traditional vehicles, which rely on fossil fuels, have been a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. However, with the advent of electric vehicles powered by advanced batteries, we are witnessing a transformative shift. By enabling the transition to electric vehicles, we can reduce carbon emissions. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means cleaner air in our cities and a reduction in the overall carbon footprint. This shift is not just a technological advancement, but a crucial step towards a sustainable future. These batteries could also facilitate the use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Renewable energy sources are inherently intermittent. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. However, with efficient battery storage, we can harness and store this energy for use when it's needed most. Storing energy from these intermittent sources has been a challenge. Traditional energy grids struggle with the variability of renewable sources, but with the advent of advanced battery technology, we can store excess energy generated during peak production times and use it during periods of low production. Musk's innovation could provide a solution. Elon Musk and his team at Tesla have been at the forefront of developing cutting-edge battery technology. Their advancements promise not only to enhance the efficiency of electric vehicles, but also to revolutionize the way we store and use renewable energy, leading to a cleaner, more sustainable energy grid. Imagine a world where our energy needs are met by clean, renewable sources, efficiently stored and distributed through a smart grid. This vision is becoming a reality, thanks to the relentless innovation in battery technology. The future of our planet depends on these advancements, making the Green Gambit not just a possibility, but a necessity for a sustainable tomorrow. Beyond Tesla, a new battery arms race. Tesla is not alone in the race to develop better batteries. Companies around the world are investing heavily in battery research and development. The competition is fierce, with each company striving to gain an edge. This is good news for consumers as it drives innovation and lowers costs. we can expect to see even more breakthroughs in battery technology in the coming years. Challenges and roadblocks on the battery highway. While the future of battery technology looks bright, challenges remain. Scaling up production to meet global demand will be a significant hurdle. Sourcing the necessary materials ethically and sustainably is also crucial. Recycling these new batteries at the end of their life cycle poses another challenge. Overcoming these obstacles is essential for the widespread adoption of this game-changing technology. The future, unveiled, a world powered by innovation. In the heart of our rapidly evolving world, innovation stands as the cornerstone of progress. It is the driving force that propels humanity forward, breaking barriers and creating new possibilities. Elon Musk's battery technology has the potential to reshape our world. Imagine a world where energy is not just sustainable, but also abundant and accessible to all. This technology promises to make that vision a reality. It could accelerate the transition to sustainable energy, revolutionize transportation, and create new industries. Electric cars powered by these advanced batteries will dominate our roads, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and cutting down on pollution. The impact of this innovation will be felt for generations to come. Families will live in cleaner, greener cities, and the air we breathe will be purer. The ripple effects of this technology will touch every aspect of our lives. As we move towards a future powered by batteries, we enter a new era of technological advancement. The manufacturing processes themselves are becoming more efficient and environmentally friendly, ensuring that the production of these batteries is as sustainable as their use. The possibilities are limitless, and the future is electrifying. From smart grids that optimize energy use to homes that generate and store their own power, the innovations spurred by this technology will transform our daily lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. The journey towards a world powered by innovation is just beginning, and the horizon is bright with promise. A battery-powered tomorrow, a new era of possibilities. We are standing at the threshold of a revolution that promises to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The unveiling of Elon Musk's battery technology marks a pivotal moment in technological history. This breakthrough is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap that will redefine how we think about energy and sustainability. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. For decades, scientists and engineers have been working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what is possible, and today we are witnessing the fruits of their labor. As we stand on the cusp of a battery-powered tomorrow, we are not just looking at a new technology, we are looking at a new way of life. Imagine cities where the air is clean, where energy is abundant and sustainable, and where our dependence on fossil fuels is a thing of the past. We are filled with a sense of excitement and anticipation. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for positive change is immense. This is a moment that will be remembered for generations to come. The world is watching, eager to witness the transformative power of this groundbreaking technology. From electric cars that can travel further on a single charge to homes and businesses powered entirely by renewable energy, the applications are vast and varied. The future is here, and it's powered by batteries. This is not just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift that will change the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. The dawn of a new era is upon us, and it is bright, sustainable, and full of promise.